Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a really fun pattern using just alternating square knots. Start by tying a row of square knots across the top of your work. I'll tie 3 square knots. Tie another row of alternating square knots. I'll tie 2 square knots, about 3 to 4 inches down from your 3 knots at the top. Push your square knots up the middle cords, or the filler cords, to create picots on the side. If you want your picots to be larger, leave more room between your rows of square knots. If you want your picots to be smaller, leave less room between your rows of square knots. Continue this process until you've reached your desired length. Thanks for watching. Please check out the description as I have listed a few extra tips for you there. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials.